So the next conference, simulation-driven design, is our next topic at the 24th of March. So you're welcome to come to the conference. Our first 357 to this topic is with Marc Vidal. He is team lead ANSYS powered product in Creo von CADFEM, and he will tell us more about the products and his talk at the conference. So welcome, Marc. Please.
Thank you for having me here.
Yeah, Marc, please let us know who are you related to the topic simulation-driven design?
I have a long history with CADFEM. So I'm with CADFEM now for 19 years, and I was in different roles. So from the technical side, I was in the support. I was with sales for some years. And over the years, I was very often responsible for some special topics for new technologies. And in the last years, I was responsible for the live simulation, which is a very exciting new technology from ANSYS. And the last implementation, and that is the product I want to talk about. The last implementation was the implementation of that live simulation into a major CAD system, which is Creo from PTC. And that is the topic of my talk.
Yeah, 19 years. So that's still a lot. So let us know more about the product. What is new there, and what could we see then?
Okay, first let us start with live simulation. So this is really new, and it is still unique on the market. Live simulation is a piece of solver technology, or the solver technology from ANSYS, which is written from scratch, only running on a graphics card, and it's a physics solver. And the cool thing about it is that it is providing simulation within seconds. So you must think about it. That is, so I really mean it, simulation within seconds compared to what you know from traditional simulation. So this is a huge gap. Of course, having such a technology in place, there's the question, where can we put it? So how can it be used through the users out there, and how can it be used in the product development process? And this idea of having such a quick solution is an ideal companion for the concept and for the concept phase. And that is where the live simulation has been placed. And there's a tool on the native ANSYS side, which is called Discovery. And based on the cooperation between ANSYS and PTC, we have now an implementation of that live solver technology inside PTC Creo, inside the CAD system. And this product is called Creo Simulation Live. So you have a live simulation tool inside Creo.
Yeah, okay. That sounds really unique. That sounds new. Cool. Could you tell us, where is the real benefit for us in engineering then using this new way of simulation and CAD system then?
Okay, so the live simulation, as I said before, is providing simulation within seconds. But even more, so you don't have to take care for the traditional things like meshing or geometry cleanup. It is immediately totally easy for everybody who wants to do simulation. So for everybody who wants to be guided by physics to find better designs, this is the ideal technology. The live simulation now being placed into Creo adds more value because it is running completely simultaneously to the design process. So think about it that way. You are in your CAD system in Creo, and you make changes to the geometry, and you get an immediate response. So without any step between, you get an immediate response how that change on the geometry sides affects physics. And that is really a guidance to you. The physics will guide you. Is it a good direction I'm heading to, or should I do some more modifications? What does it mean for the users? So for the Creo users, it means, of course, they can save a lot of iterations. They can save a lot of times, no waiting, and they don't have to talk to someone else. What does it mean for the simulation experts? There is time freed up to do expert simulation stuff again, instead of taking care for standard requests. So simulation-driven design inside a development process is not just a piece of software. Having simulation-driven design in a product development process means some coaching from those who are familiar, who have the expertise. So there's on one side CADFEM, of course. So that is what we are providing. We are helping our customers to get the return on investment they are expecting from simulation. And there are also the experts, the simulation experts in the companies, and the internal knowledge, not only about simulation, but also about the products. And that is an important factor, this coaching and bringing all that together to implement simulation-driven design successfully in a product development process.
Yeah, thank you. So looks like a mind change again in the design process. We are looking forward to hear your presentation at the 24th at the conference Simulation Driven Design. Thank you very much, Marc.
Thank you, Dirk, and I'm looking forward to the conference as well.
Yeah, see you there.